It's Knit Crate time. This is the January box for Knit Crate. So let's check it out and see what I got. I cheated this month. I opened it ahead of time. So this month was a little bit different. It was two different skeins that are supposed to blend together. I normally get the Energize Me, which would have been like citrusy colors, and I changed it and swapped it to the blues. Now that I'm seeing pictures of the citrusy color worked up, I really like it. So anyway, here is the two that I got together, which are pretty. I actually like the tonal better. I love the colors in the tonal. They are just some gorgeous, deep, deep blues, and I really like that. This is pretty. It's got purples, and there's a gray and a purple, and it's showing up pretty close to color. So there it is. But when you put the two together, I mean, they do go together, but they don't go together as well as some of the other ones would have. So what is this yarn? This is Knitology worsted. It is a worsted weight. It's 100% superwash merino. It's soft, but not as soft as some of the ones that have like alpaca and things like that in it. Superwash means it can be thrown into the wash. There's 220 yards per 100 grams, so there's 220 in each of these because they are identical. I think. Yep, they're both identical. So all total, there's 450 yards between the two, which for worsted weight's a pretty substantial amount. And this color is called Empire, and I really like this. I really like this. I might even go back and get a second one of these if I can, just to kind of make it even bigger project. This one is called Royal Court. So let me get this up close so you can kind of see. Yeah, it is showing up really true to color. So there it is. And then they included this. I don't know what you do with it. It's a cute little stocking hat. Maybe it's supposed to keep the tip of your finger warm. I'm not real sure. Not real sure what the purpose is. It's even kind of small for a Barbie doll head. So, I mean, it's cute. I guess you could stick a pin in the back of it and like put it on your lapel. I mean, if I was going to do anything with it, that's probably what I would do. Or you could put a magnet on it and like stick it on your fridge. I have one similar to that. Hang on, I'll be right back. I met with one of our missionaries for lunch a couple weeks ago, and she's in Peru. She's the one that's going to bring me some alpaca yarn from Peru. But anyway, she gave me this, and it's a little hat. And these are popular. I wouldn't wear this type of hat, but I do see like younger people wearing these type of hats that have the little ear flap. And it says Peru on it. So it's made out of alpaca, so it's really, really soft. But it's got a magnet on the back. You can see that. So it goes on the fridge. So I'm thinking, I mean, there's the size comparison. I said, this is so itty bitty. It's like, I mean, like I said, it's really, really cute. I just don't have a clue what you're supposed to do with it. Yeah, there you go. It can keep my thumb warm. So it is cuffed up, so I could like make it a long stocking cap. Not a clue what you're supposed to do with it, but anyway, yeah. So I'm thinking it's going to get a pin in the back, and I might stick it on a coat, on a lapel. So there's that. Their theme next month is Once Upon a Yarn. And it looks like it's all like muted pinks and like sand color. So yeah, it looks like it's going to be a lot of, it looks like a lot of muted colors, pastels, that type of thing. So it'd be interesting to see what they do with it. Now, here's the book that comes with it. And this is one of the other patterns. This one, Tina and I were talking, and she actually likes this one better. And I really like it too. The one I normally get like I said, was the orange one. And when I saw it, I liked it, but I couldn't see myself wearing it. And that was this one. I think it's really, really pretty. Those colors I don't picture me wearing all that well. But when you see it worked up, it's really, really pretty. I kind of wish we would have kept with that one because that one's really gorgeous. I like the blue one, but I kind of am surprised that I actually liked what I did. So one of the designers this month is Brooklyn Boy Knits, which is Louis Boria. So it has a small article about him. Yeah, here were the 3 choices for the membership yarn. This was the Energize. This one was the Energize Me color. This one is the one I got, and then this was the neutrals. This is the Chill Out. This is the neutral color. But I actually really like that. So yeah, I was kind of surprised, but I actually do like that one. So let's see. Oh, I said that Brooklyn Boy Knits was the designer. He is actually the color designer. So the colorways this month were designed by Brooklyn Boy Knits. Okay, I thought he was one of the knitter or crochet designs, but he's not. And if you got the sock box, you got one of these 3 colors. So let's see what the patterns look like. Okay, the patterns, it must be the month for cowls because both the crochet and the knit are done as cowls. So this one, which is the one on the front cover, this one is the knitted one. And it is called the Upside Down Cowl. It looks like it has like a broken cable, looking at the pattern. Okay, and he designed the pattern. I was right. He designed he designed this pattern as well. The guy who did the colors. And then the crochet version was done by Vincent Williams, and it's called the Inbound Cowl. And here it is right here. Now the socks for this month, the crocheted socks are called the Blue Quartz Socks by Ron Strong. And there they are, right there. And the knitted socks, I like the knitted socks. Those are pretty. It's called Gemology by Sadie Bellegarde Anderson. I really like those. There they are. I could take that pattern, make them short, make little ankle socks out of it. So I like the little crisscross things on it. So those are the 4 patterns. Oh, here's a better picture of the knitted one. You can see it up close. So you can kind of see the broken cables. So yeah, I like that. Out of the 2, I actually like that one better. But they're both pretty. Let's see if it shows a close-up of here's the close-up of the crocheted one. It just looks a little plainer. So there you can see the crocheted one. Like I said, it doesn't have, I like the design work on the other one a little bit better. Here's a close-up of those socks that I like. And here is a close-up. These are cute too, the crocheted socks. These are really cute, and I could make these small too and make little ankle socks. I really like those too. The more I look at them up close, I like them a lot better than I did before. So those are cute too. Yeah, I like all of those patterns. So, now Knit Crate is offering something very special right now. I don't know for how long, but normally I offer 20% off your first box. But they are doing a special deal right now. It's called Refer a Friend. So if you use the link that's down below and you click on that, you can get your first box for $5. That's pretty much just the cost of the shipping to get it to you. So you're pretty much getting the yarn for free. You're just paying the shipping. So for $5, you're going to get 2 skeins of yarn. Depending on when you order would depend whether you get this month or whether you would get next month's color choices. But yeah, you would get 2 skeins of yarn, a hat, if you get this month's a hat, whatever. And you get this little magazine with information and as well as 4 patterns. So you'll get two cowl patterns and 2 sock patterns. 2 are knitted, 2 are crocheted. So, or one of each. You get a knitted sock and a knitted cowl and a crocheted sock and a crocheted cowl pattern. So, and there, it does give you information as well about the designer himself. So, yeah, it's a special deal. I don't know how long it's going to run, but you could get $5 and get all of that. And if you like it, you can keep it up. It's $24.99 per month, and that includes the shipping cost. If you don't want it, or it's just out of the price range or whatever, you can get 1 month and then cancel your order after that and get yarn for $5. So it's a really good deal. So if you are interested, like I said, click the link down below in the description box. That will take you over. You do get to choose whether you would like the Energize Me, which are more bright colors, the Chill Out, which are more like your blues and cool tones, a neutral choice, which is, of course, more neutral tones. And then there is a Anything Goes, which means you just get surprised. They'll send you one of those. You don't know which one you're getting. So those are your options. They also offer a sock box if you just are into sock knitting and you just want sock yarn. It is cheaper. It's $19.99 per month, but it only is 1 skein of yarn. So the better deal is actually to spend the $24.99 and get 2 skeins of yarn. So, yeah, so it's a good deal while it's lasting. And like I said, just click the link below and it'll take you over there and you can check it out. So hope you enjoyed this month's Knit Crate, and I will talk to you later. Bye, everybody.